Good morning and welcome to another Caravan video. I'm back at Formic Bay for the weekend, and in this video I'm going to sterilise the water system. Now, since the last video, I've managed to do away with the waste hog. So I found some water pipes in Caravan locker. I managed to knock something up, they'll go straight into the drain. So that's something new I've done since I pitched up. So what I'll do is I'll get back to the main subject of this video. So what I'm going to use to sterilise the stuff is Puriclean. Now, I saw this on Dan Trudgian's video, so I'm going to go by what he's done. So I was thinking of using Milton, but he says what it is sometimes on the inside of your pipes you have like a microscopic film that Milton doesn't remove. It just sterilises stuff that's already clean. But this one, it cleans and sterilises it. Puriclean cleans and purifies all water systems. What I can do is I can put an Amazon affiliate link in the description. So to sterilise this stuff, first you must drain down the water system. So you just take the pump out of the aqua roll, open all the taps until all the water's come out, and then just turn off the power to the pump, and then you're ready to go. Now, on this system I've got a continuous water system. If you see in here, it's like a cistern, a valve, you know, like on a cistern on a toilet, and when it drops below, it lets water. It just keeps it at this level, about halfway up. So it's about half full. So what we'll do is add some of this Puriclean in, and then what I'll do is I'll just top up the old barrel from the hose and run it through. So open this up. Now he said to use. It takes about 8 teaspoons for an aqua roll, so I don't know how much that's going to be. So I'll just put 8 teaspoons in, like it says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's more than half of it. So now the other thing he said to do was to agitate it. So what I'll do, just disconnect the water. That's still connected. I'll just turn it off at the tap. I'll leave it in. Forgot I still had it turned on. So just get the roll, agitate it. Give it a shake. Yep, that should be agitated then. Just top it up from the hose. Now that's full. So turn off the tap. reconnect it there. Put this back in. Put the pump back in. Next thing I'll do, go inside the Caravan. Open up, well the taps are already open because I drained it down. And something else I'll need to do is change this filter, but we'll get to that later on in the video. So I'll open the taps up, turn on the pump, open the taps, and we can run some of this stuff through. And then you've got to let it sit for what does it say, 1 to 12 hours. So we can be doing other things. I'll come back to it later in the day. So we've got the water coming through here and in here. So we'll just run it through for a while. Right, cold water parts bled through. Just let the hot water through. Hot water side of it through. And then can leave it to settle. It's quite a few hours later. I was doing this about 10 o'clock in the morning. It's coming up to 4:30, so I think the stuff's had plenty of time. And it's sat in pipe, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the taps until that's empty. So I'll do that off camera, you don't need to see that. So I'll run that through. And another bonus is that when it drains out, it'll clean the waste pipes as well. So it cleans everything. So I'll come back to you when I've done all that. So I've emptied the roll out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this right up to the top with fresh water, then run that through. I'll do that a couple of times. So just start filling it up with the hose. Just fill it all the way up to the top. Then run it all through again. I'll do that twice and that should flush it out. So now I've run 2 barrel loads of clean water through the systems to flush it. The next thing I need to do is to change this water filter, and you've got to do it every time you use the stuff. So to that end, I bought a new filter, and I got it from these guys, Abyss Caravans in Abyss Caravan Supplies in Bridlington. Definitely recommend them. And to change it, this is a Carver crystal. You need this tool. You just slot it in like that and turn it anti-clockwise, and there you go. If you try to use a pair of pliers, you'll most likely break it. Now I just run the water on the last flush out. I just run the water through, so this should be empty. So you might get a little bit come out, and there's the old filter. It doesn't look too bad, but it has to be changed because it affects, because the Puriclean it does affect it. I believe these are carbon filters, so the new one, it's an identical part. It's an exact match. It doesn't look too bad, but like I says, it affects the carbon in the filter. I can just get it started by hand and then just do it up. Don't go mad. And there we go, that's the new filter done. So all I need to do is just prime everything, and that's the job completed. Everything's in place. Just need to turn the water on for the continuous system and just turn the pump on to prime it, and that's job done. That's the water system sterilised. So that's it for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out if you select all. Questions and comments, you might put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.